Hey everyone, thanks for joining me tonight. Tonight's session primarily focuses on a follow-up of the cable management project I did about 3 months ago. About 2-3 days ago, actually, if you watch my last PhD2 problem video, Mr. Hubble recommended that I get a powered hub to make sure all my AP components get the proper power they need. So long story short, and fast forwarding to the moment at hand, I went ahead and purchased this powered hub from Amazon, as you can see right here. So let me give you a little more closer look. So, oh, sorry, I think I'm forming a shadow with my camera, my phone here. But basically, what you're looking at is everything's plugged into the hub, which I velcroed to the tripod leg here, and then I went ahead and just velcroed everything else too, to make sure it was secured properly and on the tripod legs the way they should be. So everything plugs in here. These little individual switches here, now let's demo for you. Sorry about the shaking. Anyway, so you can see here, if I decide to turn on, this is my Zoe camera, which is going to be arriving tomorrow. It's my guide camera. If I turn that on, you can see then I'll have power to that particular port, that COM port. So what if I turn it off and I don't need it? I just press it, hold it. Everything you see here needs power. So that's the two dew heaters there. That's my imaging camera cable, and that's my PoleMaster power power cable. And what I was trying to say is all these cables are 3.0 now. Everything's 3.0. So everything plugs in here, and this is the power adapter, which, if you follow it, goes right to the surge protector here. So everything's plugged in here. And what's cool is now there's minimal cables running to the computer. So if you follow the cable, you can see that it plugs in there. There's only the one cable here, the 3.0 cable running to the computer, and then the power cable running from the computer to the surge protector. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you, and then look for a future video that has me troubleshooting the PhD2 problem. And High Point Scientific did test that camera out, and it worked perfect. So there was nothing wrong with the camera, the Zoe guiding camera. So when I get that back tomorrow, it's supposed to be a new moon, I'll be testing it out, and I'll be sharing the results of that test with you. But for now, I just wanted to share my powered hub here, which again improves my overall cable management and power distribution system. So I'm signing out now, and hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in future videos. Take care.